Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tutor Ayodele. Today we are going to be looking at how to construct this isometric block using the AutoCAD software. So you can see the measurements are given here and they are all in millimeters. We have here 90, here is this distance here, 40 plus 20. You can see that. So that means the total distance here should be 60. Here is 100. This middle from here to here is given here at 60. So we are going to construct this in isometric drawing. Isometric drawing are drawing that are 30 degree to the reference line. They are in 30 degree to the reference line. So on my software, I've already do the settings. The settings you need to do, you enter your unit. See, so I've set my unit. The precision is at 0.0, and my measurement is in millimeters, so I'm using millimeters here. You can see you have a lot of them, so I'm using the millimeters, and then you press OK. So after that, you enter your limit. So you can see the limit command here. The left corner is already at 0,0. So you enter, then I set my upper limit to 12,127. You can set it to anything. Say 12,127. Then you enter. Okay, so like that you are ready to do your drawings. So let's start. Now you go to your command line. Okay, so one more thing, you need to on the isometric plane. You see, put it on. Yeah, and you need to put this on so as to show your angles that you are going. Alright, so from here you can pick the command line and start from any point. Start from here. So I go this way. You can see that's 60. Alright, so you enter. You can see my 60 is small. So let me just zoom it a bit. Enter zoom. You just like zoom all. A, just press A and enter. So you can see that. Let me bring the line down. Bring it down. So I copy it and I move it. Okay. Oh, let me see move it down a bit. Let me see move it down a bit. Okay. So yeah. Alright, so you can see the line. We have gotten this line. That's what I just did now. So I'm going to go like this, 100, go like this. What will be the measurement here? You can see from here to here is 40, and from here to here is 20. So 40 plus 20 will give us 60, and the whole of this length is 90. So if we say 90 minus 60 is going to give us this distance to be 30. Okay, because let's get our drawing going. So you see it's already showing me my point. So I go this way. You can see 100, right? So we enter, and going to be moving up. Going to be moving up this way. That's 70. You can see I said from here to here is 30, and from here to here is 40. So that's 70. Okay, so I go this way. 70. Alright. So I still need to zoom that again so you can see it. So enter A. So I think just a bit. Sorry, okay. Let me zoom it. So okay, so that's it. That's my drawing. I want to try and make it a little bit smaller so you can see the entire drawing. It's too small. Sorry. Okay, I think maybe a little bigger. Okay, now let me continue like this. You can see it on the screen. So let's get another line. So from this point we'll be coming this way 30 degree, and the distance will be coming, this is the distance here, like this distance here is from here to here, so it's the same thing as from here to here. And if here is 20, here is 60, that gives us 80, and the whole of this length is 100, that means from here to here will also be 20. Okay, so we go this way 30 degree 20. All right, so you can see that I'm going to come down 90 degree 40 according to the measurement I'm giving there. Okay, so we come this way like this, come this way like it's 60, I go up 40. Okay, come here again 20, coming down, close it up there. So we have actually done the whole of this part. We've actually done the whole of this part. So let's continue with this this here. You get, so let's do that. So we pick our command line on this point. We are going 90 up, so 90. See that? So we go 20 this way, all right, so we come down 20 again, all right, and I close it up. See, it's closed. So I enter it. You can see that. That's actually easy. So I can do something here.
Don't tell me this is as born to. So what did that happen?
So let's continue. Let's go this point. We go 20. Go 20. Come this way. 20 also. We come down 20, and we close it up to this point also. So we press enter. Alright, you can see that. So we can get this line here. This point to this point to be closed, and the last point, this point and this point. So like this is actually for beginners. So the way you can do it to get it is following it like this. Okay, so let's start from this point here. Now we go this way, we are going 40. Come this way, we are going 20. And we close it up here. Alright. So you can see we are moving forward. Okay, from this point we just go up 20, come this way also 20, close it there. Okay, can you see that? Alright, let's get this last part. Yeah, like this. Okay, so on that point we need to go this way 20, going this way 20 also, and we close it up there 20. So that's it. So what will be the distance from here to here? It will be 20 plus 40. So that should be 60. Well, let's make this 60. So I'm coming down this way 60, and close it. Close it here. So you can see that. Now we need to get this part, close it up. So we are through the drawing. What do we need to do now? We need to give it a dimension. So to give it dimension, you go to your annotation. See, in standard, just change it to annotative. So yeah, it's already an annotative. Try to put this on. So set this to your scale that you are using. I'm using 1 to 10. Alright, so from here I can actually give my dimensions, and I need to set this to align. Alright, so I can have my dimension this way. Alright, you can see that. I'm going to zoom it. I'm going to zoom it. So pick this again. At this point, I gotta go like this. Alright. Oh, sorry. Let's do that again. So I take this point and the end point, take it like this. Okay. So I click on it. Let's try to zoom the drawing. Come on. So you can see that now. You can see the dimension. Okay. For pick the dimension again. This point and this point. Sorry. Let's pick it again. Okay. That's it. Also, this point to this point is given. So let's also have that. Alright. Show that part. Have that point and this point is given there. Alright. And sorry. this point and this point. Put the dimension this way. Okay. Also this point on this point. Keep the dimension this way. Okay. And where again we see this point and this point. That is 100. And okay, the last one, give this a dimension from this point to this point is given here. Okay, so now we need to make this dimension to align with this, like align with the angle. You can see here is in 30 degree, like in 150 degree. So we'll set this dimension to 150 degree, this one to 90 degree, this one also to 90 degree, this one to 30 degree, this to 30 degree, this to 30 degree, this to 30 degree. You get? And this one's to 150 degree. Okay, so let's do that. To do that, you are going to go to annotate. When you go to annotate, you come to dimension, you click on dimension, then you select oblique. You can see that. Select oblique. So you choose the one you want to align. See, is the one on blue. So what you are going to do there is that I've selected it, you will press enter. Then you will enter the angle you want to align it with. So I'll enter 150 degree. So you can see that. Same thing I'm going to do for the rest. So this one and this one, both are going to be in 150 degree. So you can see that. All right, so remain the ones that should be in 90 degree. All right, so this, we select this, I will select this. So we enter, and when you enter, you give it 90 degree. So you can see that I'm aligned with 90 degree. Then the rest should be in 30 degree. They are in 30 degree. They are all going like this, going like this, going like so. Let's align that to 30 degree. So we pick this, we pick this, we pick this, we pick this. Then we enter. After entering, we go set it to align with 30 degree, and there we have it. So let me try to zoom also, you can see what we have done since morning. So this is it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and make sure you share to your colleagues so they can also learn. Thank you very much.